Another blowout win para sa ating Batang Gilas. Naging dominante nga sa ilalim ang ating mga big man na sina Prince Carino at Antolin. Patuloy din nga pagpapakitang gilas ni Travis Pascual. Lalaban sa championship game bukas ang ating national team. So eto na nga ang huling game ng Batang Gilas sa elimination round kung saan makakalaban naman nga nila ang Malaysia. Kahit ano nga ang resulta na kakalabasan ng game na ito ay sigurado na nga pasok sa championship game ang Gilas. Muli nga maghaharap ang Gilas at Indonesia sa championship bukas. Kaya kung manalo man nga ang ating national team sa game na ito ay magandang energy booster nga ito para sa finals. First quarter ay halos dikit lang nga ang score ng both teams sa early minutes. Halos palitan lang nga dyan ang baskets ng dalawang kupunan. Pero pagkapasok nga ng halfway mark ay dito na nagkaroon ng counting separation ng Batang Gilas sa Malaysia. Naging dominante nga sa ilalim ang ating big man na si Prince Carino na nakapagtala ng 8 first quarter points.
Their game against Indonesia, they only won by 9 and they feel they should do better.
As a lot of tall players, couple of 6'6" guys, and also a lot of 6'3s. Possessions for Singapore.
Here's Cruz driving inside. That's a tough shot, but he makes it anyway.
Foster.
Well, speaking of where Malaysia will get their offense, a 3-ball here from Malaysia forward, finding the man open in the corner. That's good.
This is what I...
Forcing steals. And going inside, that's a good basket. Malaysia trying to force another turnover. A little bump and an easy finish inside. Reyes with the finish. Oh no! Fluffs it. And that's the type at the wing. Drive inside, pulls up for the jumper, that's good.
This guy...
Finding the cutting Tanchi.
Excellent.
Ito sila para sa national team.
Of course, RDO with that being said, isa ka sa mga
And position dito sa Pilipinas being one of the first stretch bigs. And driving force in the SPP.
Yes, also a source of inspiration.
100%.
Especially with our women's age level. Since 2011, Philippines champions for 5.
Break. Mikel Rohit pulls up for 3. Gets it.
In double figures for his country.
And that's great play. Carino goes at it by himself. Carino steals the rebound and gets 2.
Lamang ng 16 points ang Gilas after ng first frame sa score na 28-12. Second quarter ay patuloy nga ang pag-control sa game ng Batang Gilas. Tuloy nga ang pag-capitalize ng ating national team sa ilalim. Ngayon naman nga step up na this quarter ang isa pa nating big man na si Antolin. Kaya mas lalo pang lumalaki ang ating kalamangan sa Malaysia.
Exactly the shot that we will allow our opponents. Because it's just so scary. Wow. And his ability to hang a little long.
Right there, slows it down. A little hesitation. Couldn't get the first finish, but the second effort is good. Mikel Rohit. Good find inside, and that's a nice bucket for Pascual. Trying to go on a 5-0 run. They get a second chance opportunity. The jumper good off the glass. Had his pocket picked. And Pascual sails in for an easy 2. Pascual finds Carino. Carino using his size. The spin, the finish. Due to that groin injury.
Right.
Here's Ethan Tanchi. The feed inside to Antolin.
This guy is
Zone here. Miranda. Oh, what a find inside.
point guards. Oh, look at that pass
Oh,
once again.
what a find to Cruz. Cruz playing it forward to Antolin. Running the floor. Easy 2.
This guy is just good.
Inside. Barreling his way through. Antolin. Good finish. A double. Good ball movement here from Gilas Pilipinas. And Umage getting an easiness. At that time, they get free in the corner. Malaysia. Trainer,
Don't call it.
Evering Cruz. The feed inside. A little bump. Chufai getting free and gets 3.
Making their 3-pointers consecutively.
Well, because this is a team from Malaysia. As Anton, if Malaysia have a very good 3-point shooting day, like what we're seeing right
Lamang na ng 26 points ang Batang Gilas, 55-29 halftime. Third quarter ay nakukuha na nga ng Malaysia ang kanilang rhythm offensively this quarter. Pero buti na lang nga ay agad tayong nagkakaroon ng counter sa kanilang mga baskets para i-maintain ang ating malaking kalamangan.
Perlas with Coach Gabe Norwood. Ang sarap pakinggan. It feels like back to Cruz. Pascual going inside and Hagi getting it. They swing it around. And Jeremy gets a triple. Sanchi, Evering Cruz, all set up for 3. Gets that to fall.
America. So you gotta remember that Alan Kaidik, Jeff Chan.
Sanchi swinging that around to Pascual. Jola Pascual gets a 3-pointer in the corner. Driving at Sanchi. Chufai with a tough finish. At first half. Here he is again. Oh, that felt like Jeremy Manolo Pascual here with the finish.
That is a fundamentally
Time they go in, they go out. Juanye tries to do it by himself, and
they have to defend. They don't want to get this team so
leading the fast break here. Oh, the Euro and an easy finish
matchup
against Thailand. What's going to be a really interesting one. Oh my goodness, Pascual!
by our director Julius Melo.
Teammate, and here's Gilas. Cabañero to beat the buzzer. Down and sprint, Cabañero beating the buzzer.
Tambak pa rin nga ang Malaysia after ng third frame sa score ng 75-46. Fourth quarter ay tuloy nga ang mainit na opensa ng ating Batang Gilas. Tila final score na lang nga ang inihintay sa game na ito, kung saan hindi na nga nagkaroon pa ng big time run ng Malaysia.
And of course, we have to thank the province of Pampanga, led by the things that we really have to compete against, just to ensure that we are.
Found their shots. Gilas Filipinas are trying to do the same here, and that's a nice bucket.
We want to finish at the top of the mountain once again.
Oh, and Miranda! Such a steady ball handler here. This time he goes all the way! Oh, Miranda! Trying to beat Danchi. Off the mark at Tolin, finally!
Sa uli nga ay panalo ang ating national team. Makakalaban nga ulit natin bukas sa championship game ang Indonesia.